Hello learners, how are you? Today we will learn how to create folders using batch scripting language. Okay, so for that, first we will go and create a notepad text where we will write our code. So let's create a text document. We will name it folder creation, folder and then creation. Okay, so here is the our file. We will open it. Let's open it and yeah, let me minimize it a little. So after minimizing, you can see, and we will write here a few line of code which will help you to create as many folder as you will define its name here. Okay, so first we don't want to show anything the running of the script, so we will turn it off, echo off. So this will not show you the script runner. For then and then we will give in the parenthesis we will give the name of the folder. uh, so let's give it folder 1, then space, folder 2, then space, folder 3, and we can give by space as many space, and the name will be there. It will create that much many folder. Actually I is the variable. Okay, so it will run according to the length of days. Then do, and then again parenthesis, and the parenthesis will contain now mk. This will create directory, and here we will give the path where we want to create the directory. So I have copied and I will paste it. This is the path of the directory. Okay, and we will again here we will add a forward slash, sorry, a forward slash, and then add the variable I. So now this name will be in the variable, and variable will be creating folder here. Okay, so yeah, I think this much you need. Then the main part, we will save it, save as the name, and after the name you have to select all files, and then in the name, after the name, add dot bat. Okay, which is a batch scripting extension. Let's save it. Now you will see a different uh, file is created. Basically it is a window batch file, and let's run it and see what will happen. See, 3 folders are created, just normal folder, nothing more. So in this way you can automate of creating folders, not by clicking right click then go to the what new and create folder, and not also for the shortcuts. This is will just one click will create as many folders as you want. Okay learners, thanks.